excuse me, miss. ILOVE.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, children. How are you today?
Good morning, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, before starting the lesson of this sunny morning, let's pray together according to each other belief. Praying is a welcome. Okay, done. Is there anyone who is not present in class today? When few, I think everything is completely and ready to learn. I'm calling one by one. Please raise your hand accordingly. Yulia Anggraini.
Yes, I am, sir.
Okay. Amanda.
I am, sir.
Okay. Indah Lestari.
Yes, I am, sir.
Okay. And Raudatul Hasanah.
Yes, I'm, sir.
Okay, I will start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this morning, we will discuss about interest. Before I discuss it, do any of you to express your opinion about interest?
Sir, the interest rate is the amount that the borrower must pay to the lender of funds.
Okay. Interest rate is the fee charged by the lender of creditor to the borrower or debitor. The interest rate is set based on a practice of the amount of funds borrowed. Generally, the interest rate is set as the annual practice rate change or borrowed fund. Is absolutely right. Interest rate is also a term that is widely used in the bank world. Interest rate have many functions, such as first, helping in the flow of saving toward economic growth, and second, distributing the amount of available credit, generally providing credit fund to investment projects that promise the yields. Anyone want to add a function interest rate?
Sir, so the other interest rate function are number 3, balancing the money supply with the demand for money from a country. Number 4, an important tool that concerns government policy through its influence on the amount of saving and investment.
Okay, yes, that's right. Before we continue, is there anything you want to ask?
Excuse me, sir. I want to ask, are there any factors that cause interest rates, sir?
Oh, of course, there are factors that affect the rate of interest. There are 5 factors that influence. Maybe some of you can know this 5 factors.
Excuse me, sir. I want to answer from question of Rauda. So the factor that affect the interest rate. 1. Bank policy. 2. Loan amount. 3. Tenor or installment period. 4. Employment and total income. 5. Credit history.
Okay, wow. It turns out the student here is smart, is sound.
Of
Of course, sir.
Okay, I will continue the next discussion, which is about of nature of bank interest rate. So there are four properties bank interest rate. The first is term of maturity. Second is rise. Third is liquidity. Four is administrative cost. The first is term of maturity. The loan has a mature debt where on the debt of that the loan must be returned along with interest. The second is rise. There are some lessons that are not rise. However, there are also those with speculative inflation potential. The third is liquidity. An asset in considered liquidity if it can be converted into cash liquid with utilized of loss. And the number four is administrative costs. Administrative costs are change the debtor in the event to namely in administrative matter. How is the understand?
Understand.
Okay. Okay, let's move on the next discussion, which is about the types of interest rate. So interest rates are divided into second types, namely loan interest rate and deposit interest rate. The loan interest rate is the type of interest rate used in lending and borrowing, and deposit interest rate is the interest rate used in calculating deposit.
Excuse me, sir.
What's wrong?
Is the interest rate only divided into two kinds?
Okay, before I explain, maybe some of my other friends want to answer.
Excuse me, sir. I know several types of interest rates.
Okay, please answer.
Okay, thank you, sir. So I know the type of loan interest rate are divided into interest rate based on their nature and calculation. Interest rate based on their nature of number one is interest rate are fixed or fixed. Now, fixed or in fixed are fixed in the rates are interest rates that are fixed and do not change until the maturity date or during the term of the credit. And then number two is a floating interest rate or floating. Okay, so floating interest rate are interest rate that always change according to market interest rates. If the market interest rate rises, the interest rate will also increase and vice versa. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
What?
I want to add relate interest rates based on their calculation. This type of interest rate is divided into three types, namely, number one, flat interest rate. The loan interest rate is calculated from the initial amount of the loan principal and distributed proportionally based on their credit tenor. Number two, effective interest rate. Interest on the loan is calculated from the remaining principal amount of the loan. So the amount of interest paid will decrease as the tenor goes on. Number three is a combination of flat interest rate and effective interest rate. Interest is calculated based on the remaining principal of the loan, or effective interest rate, that is distributed proportionally based on the tenor, or flat interest rate.
Okay, good job. This type of interest rate is defined in the third type, namely flat interest rate, second effective interest rate, third annuity interest rate. Okay, then I will convey the types of deposit interest rates, which are divided into second types. The first type is saving deposit and second type is time deposit. The first type is saving deposit. Saving deposit are the interest that bank gives to their customer based on the amount of their saving. The nominal amount of interest, of course, varies from one customer to another. And the second type is time deposit. Time deposit is the interest given by the bank to its customer who open deposit savings. The nominal amount of deposit interest is usually the same because the deposit amount will not change during the specific period.
Excuse me, sir. May I ask a question? Why are the interest rates at each bank different?
The difference is because each bank has a different profit target. Therefore, the interest rate is in bank are different. You can be understand.
Sir,
Sir, may I ask, in the interest rate mandatory in every bank?
The interest rate need to be in every bank because it is from the interest rate that the bank in income. You can understand.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Excuse me, sir. I want to ask, if bank interest rate change, does it have any effect on the company?
Of course, there is. In the increase in interest rate can lead to an increase in the cost of capital for companies. We can reduce their probability. There are more.
Nothing, sir. Thank you.
Okay. If there is no one to ask, I am done with today's discussion. Hopefully, the knowledge I convey to be understood and understand will by you guys. Don't forget to always read the notes. See you can actually remember them. See you at the next meeting. Before I end, let's pray together so that today's skin will be blessed. For the class president, please lead the prayer.
Okay, guys, let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, nice to meet you. I say goodbye and good morning.
Nice to meet you too,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.